Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you guys a 2-week update with the products that I'm using. I am currently using the Garnier for Tea Sleek Shot, the Botanic Color Vibrance and Shine from Tresemme. It's the sulfate free system and has no parabens and all that other junk in it. And then the Loreal Everfresh sulfate free anti-dandruff shampoo. And I wanted to give you guys, this is the result. My hair was colored back at the end of January. So here is, it's still red. It's a burgundy with copper highlights. I don't know how good here we go. It's still pretty burgundy with the copper highlights. Been able to keep this color for a while. Even my roots underneath aren't all that bad. And my roots on top, trying to figure out how to do this, aren't that bad either. As you can see, they're not that far in. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys this update on how it's been going. So what I've been doing is on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday or Friday, depending on what's going on, I have been using this right here. I wash my scalp with this first, and then depending on what I have going on the next day, I will use the Sleek Shot. You put a little bit of this mixed in with your shampoo. I actually did that last night, so my hair is nice and straight and not frizzy. It actually works. And then I use these right here. I've used Tresemme in the past, but I've never had amazing results like this before. And it says low lather shampoo, which I'm used to it being really foamy. It's pretty foamy, but not as foamy as a lot of other ones are, but I think that's because it is made with natural ingredients. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I'm using, how it's been going for the last 2 weeks. I can tell you right now that this is amazing, and it works well because, like I said, I got my hair colored at the end of January, beginning of February, so it's been 2 full months. And my hair still looks amazing. So, yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys a little update. I'm using this 3 times a week, washing my hair every other day, and then I'm using the Sleek Shot on the days that I know I have something going on the next day, because typically right now with everything going on in the world, my daughter is at home, so it's hard to try and take a shower in the morning, so I've been taking one when my husband gets home. So like today is Tuesday and we had physical therapy, so I went ahead and I put that in my hair last night, and yeah, my hair looks very straight, it's not frizzy, and it's very smooth and soft. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. If you hear my daughter in the background, like I said, she's home with everything going on. Schools are officially closed. Our state is officially on lockdown. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.